In this activity, if I will say 3, you have to clap 3 times. But the rule is you have to clap together in one sound. Let's start.
3, 5. I'm getting some extra sound. 2, 0. 2, 5, 1, 0. Again back to last row. I will let us stay, okay? Okay, so today we all are gathered here for a very beautiful topic, that is about the menstruation and about the period. Okay, that is known as in general term period. So before starting period, we will discuss about the puberty. Okay, what is puberty? Can anyone explain about the puberty? 8, 9, 10.
One of you stand up.
हाँ Shiva, she is saying something. Very good, beta. If you know, just don't shy. ठीक है, यहाँ पे शर्माने का कुछ काम ही नहीं है. Puberty में, ठीक है, here we will discuss one thing. This is the structure of female reproductive system. Okay, can you see here? Where is the location of female reproductive system? Okay, that is exactly your lower abdomen. ठीक है, exactly यहाँ पे this is the location of our female reproductive system. And now we all know that this system consists of, first we have pair of ovaries. Can you see? Yes, this pair of ovary, ये क्या है? This one is fallopian tube or oviduct. ये क्या है? Uterus. Okay, and this one is a vagina. So these are the different parts of female. Okay, अब ovary क्या कर रहा है during the puberty? It is releasing 2 hormones. जब तुम क्या कर रहे हो? 10 में enter कर रहे हो in 6th class. What is the age of? You are 12. Okay, that means many of the students, they are facing this menstruation and all. ठीक है, तो ये जो menstruation हो रहा है, means it is showing that you are healthy and you are growing well. No one is facing anything.
No changes. Good. Height
Height बढ़ना, हाँ, that is common in both boys and girls.
and huh?
हाँ,
Only height.
size, हाँ, देखो, your external changes, क्या होगा external change में? ठीक है, now you all are adolescent. ठीक है, सारे वो चीजें face कर रहे हो. You are facing the same things. ठीक है, अब तो
Changes that we face in our puberty are our pelvic region become broad, menstruation starts, sweat gland they start to release more sweat, height increases, breast size become increased, and we got sometimes pimples on our face and all.
कहाँ से रिलीज होगा? That will release from the ovary. और ovary के अंदर हमारे पास क्या? We have thousands of ovum, thousands of egg. ठीक है, हर एक ovary के अंदर क्या है? 1000 of egg है. 1000 of egg क्या करेगा? In out of that 1000 of egg, only one egg that will mature in 1 month. ठीक है, एक ही एग, हजारों को छोड़ के सिर्फ एक ही एक मंथ में क्या होगा? मेच्योर होगा. दैट इज अगेन ड्यू टू द हॉर्मोन्स. जो हार्मोन यहाँ से रिलीज हो रहा है एस्ट्रोजन, वही एस्ट्रोजन क्या करता है? इट विल कॉज द मैचुरेशन ऑफ दैट एग. देखिए, वही हेल्प कर रहा है एग को मेच्योर होने में. अब ओवरी के अंदर देखिए, एग को मेच्योर होने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? एवरेज 1 month. ओके, एंड दिस मैच्योर
getting their periods when they turn around 10 to 15 years of age.
But Didi, why do we get periods?
Periods are a very important process, Pinky, because of which we were born and are alive today. If you wish to have babies in the future,
Now we will discuss about vaginal discharge. And this vaginal discharge that is released by our endometrium, that is inner wall of uterus, to keep our vagina clean and moist. If the discharge is white in color and there is no odor and that is little bit sticky, then it is normal. But if we will get a discharge, vaginal discharge, that will be of yellow color and with the odor and with the smell, that means there is some infection. In that case, we have to go to doctor. Used sanitary pads are very hard to dispose, so instead of using sanitary pads, we can use just like tampons and menstrual cup. These are very easy to use, and these menstrual cup, these are reusable. We can once we will use it, we can sterilize it, and this is how we have to dispose our pads.